y'all to see me. Look how bad I'm sweating. What the fuck? Would not recommend. Would not recommend. Sorry. Sorry. Good morning, babes. It is day 2 in Panama with my family. It is Friday the 28th or maybe the 29th. One of the days. I don't know. But I just got up, y'all. Last night, we were so drunk. Would not recommend. And this is the thing. I only had, y'all know I told y'all I don't drink. So I only had a small daiquiri. I had a small daiquiri. It had vodka in it. And then I had 2 shots of peach moonshine. But I took it all on an empty stomach. But I thought it was going to be fine because we were drinking while we were waiting to be seated. So I'm thinking, like, if I drink now, by the time it's time to eat, I should be able to eat. And I'll be soak it all up and I'll be okay. Baby, it went the opposite. Because I was drunk by the time it was time to eat. So my stomach was already turning. I didn't even eat a quarter of my food, so I put it in a to-go box. Now I'm just on an empty stomach, like, period. I threw up when we made it to the freaking hotel. Not only did I throw up when we made it to the hotel, I thought I was gonna be okay after that, but baby, I threw up for the rest of the night. Mind y'all, I said I didn't eat, so I'm not throwing up anything but like stomach acid. So it was a long night, like in and out of the bed. Because it was just that bad, like literally. Would not recommend. Would not recommend. But I look a mess because of the type of night I had, of course. But I'm about to put on my swimsuit and meet my folks down at the pool. They cooked breakfast, so I ate like some eggs and grits. I had a piece of bacon and a piece of toast, just like something light to put on my stomach. And I also took a goodie powder because I'm trying to recover. But yeah, my folks down at the pool, so I'm gonna go meet them down at the pool in a couple minutes, once I put on my swimsuit and stuff and try to make some sense of this hair, which it ain't gonna take long. Just wet it and brush it. Y'all know that routine. I still don't feel 100. Like, I'm trying to get myself together, but I really still don't feel 100%. So I'm just taking it slow today. I'll probably be laughing at everybody else being drunk because last night, baby, being apart, I can see it ain't for me. I don't even know why I did it to myself. So yeah, I will check back in with y'all whenever I put on my swimsuit and we can head on down to the pool together. Bye.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it some.
Let me pause and say, excuse my dustiness for on this hot ass trip, but this is a hot ass trip, baby. We're in Florida, okay? And I'm not finna be wearing no makeup to no beach. Oh yeah, I'm gonna be dusty. Sorry. My lace and my edges, they ain't gonna stay. They gonna sweat up and sweat out every time. So it is what it's gonna be, okay? Please don't judge. Be nice, be sweet, and don't talk about me. Cause I'm gonna say your mama. Your mama. Your mama.
Baby, I can run all the time. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it, my mind, my body. My body say it. My mind, my mind, and my heart. My body go, baby. At last to my body so crazy, baby. I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed in my heart, my mind, and my body.
Alrighty guys, I just made it down to the pool. My family is already down here. Well, my cousins. I'm running a little late. I really wanna stay, I really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together, get it together. It's DJ Ryan. Alright y'all, I came back up from the pool. It started drizzling a little bit, so I came back. I didn't want my camera to get wet or whatever, so me and my cousin came back. We both have electronics, but everybody else still just kind of chilling in the pool right now because it's not raining hard or nothing like that, just a little drizzle, sun still out. But I came on back up because I'm a little tired. I didn't get no sleep last night because I was up throwing up all night. So I'm gonna just take me a shower, get me a little bite to eat, and throw on some, like a little dress or whatever, and wait on everybody until we do the next thing. I think they want to go out to eat like around 5. But I'm hungry as hell now, so I gotta eat something. I gotta snack on something. And I keep getting distracted looking up, y'all, and not looking at the camera because this view is so beautiful. Like, dead ass. Just even from the... Even just like from the kitchen, it's just, you see all the water. Look at that. I just keep getting distracted. Y'all, we come here every year, but it still never fails to amaze me how good of a condo that we always choose. Like, this is awesome. Fixing to go shower and stuff. I'm not gonna repeat myself because I see on my last video I got a real bad problem with repeating myself, but finna go shower. Oh shit, I did it. Yeah, bye y'all. Okay y'all, we just made it to the place to eat, which is Senor Frog. Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's not trying to move y'all. Yeah.
Alright y'all, we just made it to the place to eat, which is Senor Frog. Waiting for them to seat us and the rest of the family too, because we a little early. Y'all know it's when it's 20 of y'all, it takes,
We're actually on time.
20,000 hours to get ready. So we just waiting on everybody else to finish getting ready and meet us here. But I'm gonna show y'all how this place looks because I think it's very aesthetically pleasing. It's DJ Ryan.
I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga either he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you. That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch stay mad, let's keep it a beam. Know they be mad, I be on the scene. Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. Thumb in a check, blow their knee. You thought I was feeling you?
Y'all, we are seated
and I was trying to see what number was
ordered our drinks. We about to order our
It just was only
food.
$4.15.
But y'all,
And then I did it, and then it's
I got me a peach daiquiri and of course his version. I'm not drinking today. I was not playing. I'm not drinking today. I got so messed up last night. I'm gonna take it easier than easy. Grow up. But yeah, I'm taking it easier than easy. They gonna take all my shots for me today.
Ain't nobody take all your shots.
We're gonna drink for you.
Okay, y'all like,
You open your mouth
y'all
for one.
ain't have to embarrass me. I did on this vlog.
Nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass, doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Damn, gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon'
We back outside in these streets. We just ate and then we went back home and changed our clothes. So now everybody changed and whatever. And we just finna go to a couple of stores, pick up some stuff for the birthday beach party tomorrow. We having a pink beach party. How cute is that? So we just finna go to Five Below, a dollar store, souvenir shop, and the liquor store so I can find some real clothes. Period.
Ass too fat, can't fit in a jean. Use my stitch, but it's not what it seems. I got that ready, I'm keeping it clean. Fucking with niggas that's toting a beam. Saying you love me, but what do you mean? Pretty ass fucking ain't like that I mean. Baddest bitch out, you shitting me? If you ain't a baddie, can't sit with me. I swear that these bitches my mini-me. He wanna sex, niggas be dreaming. I'm from the X, niggas be scheming. I'm on their necks, they's not breathing. Thumb in a check, blow their knee. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like bitch on my body, I get what I please. You know my body, I do it with ease. He want my body, he telling me please. I'm walking past me, sniffing my breeze. He jacking me, but he not my boo. He like the jewelry I wear on my boobs. How can I link you when I got a shoe? Don't want your love, I just want the blue. Grabbing my ass while I'm doing my dance. She keep on staring cause shorty a fan. Damn, gotta stick to the plan. He mad as fuck, I won't give him a chance. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. But still he gon' do what I say. I swear I be stuck in my ways. You thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like you thought I was feeling you? That nigga a munch. Nigga eat it, he ate it for lunch. Bitch on my body, I get what I want. Like
conversation is so boring. Heard about what? I hate her, I don't agree. I did it first, I give a fuck. I just want fuck, be asleep. Love, happy, can you make me happy? Can you keep me Can you hate on me and laugh you with laughter? Can you leave me to the yard with the password? I need you, man.
Hey y'all, I made it back to the hotel. It is the end of the night, which is Friday night, the second night here. We just got back from the Skywheel, took a shower, got comfortable, put on my night clothes. Now I'm just chilling on the balcony until it's time for bed. Chop it up with my man a little bit. Let me see. Talk to my best friend for about 30 minutes. I miss them. I'm only been gone for 2 days. Look at this view, y'all. Moonlight, like, you see how it reflects on the water? It's just like a straight path. It's cute. A straight path into the moon. Just coming back to close out the night with y'all. Good night. Good morning, babes. It is another day in Panama. It is Saturday. Today is my auntie's birthday. We're gonna be celebrating my cousin's birthday today on the beach. So I am running a little late. As you can hear, I literally just woke up. I just took my bonnet off and threw my hair in a ponytail because we gotta go hurry up and run downstairs and put the tent up on the beach before all the good spots get taken. So I just wanted to come in, do my introduction for today right quick, and I'm gonna take y'all downstairs so we can go put up this tent. After we get the tent put up, we're gonna come back up and everybody gonna get dressed, eat breakfast or whatever, and then we're gonna head on out on the beach for the day.
Six. Yeah. 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 The price I want for sure, you gon' need 3 promoters. I got the body from Jim Ellis, but I had switched the motor. I got these badass bitches running around this bitch, they all the coders. Yeah. I just told her make a stoner. Yeah.
I just need y'all to see me. Look how bad I'm sweating. What the fuck? Who better sit on this beach all day? Y'all got to get a good 3 hours of my time. I'm coming up to the room. I'm going to bed. It's ridiculously hot. I am literally pouring sweat. We wasn't even out there for 20 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna go take a shower just to go back down and get sweaty again. But I got a shower after that. Alright guys, I am back with the swimsuit. I got on my pink. Oh my god, Katie in the background on FaceTime. But yeah, this is the swimsuit. I'm gonna add this little cover up around the back, make it cute. You know, it ain't covering much, but it's doing what it need to do. Let's just say you so and put it on the floor. We are finally heading out to the beach. Everybody got on their pink swimsuits. We already got the tent put up. I think some people had to run to the store, but most of us is gonna be down there. So I'm gonna check back in when we get downstairs on the first floor, like as I'm walking on the beach. And then of course y'all know how hard it is to walk in sand. So once I hit the beach, show y'all the little 1-2, I'm gonna take my shoes off and I'm gonna walk over to our tent, and then we'll sit back up. I'll meet y'all at the beach. We made it, y'all. It's so hot out here. The tent blew away. We caught it. Okay, they caught it. I was a little late getting out here, but they caught it and they got it back up. But we kept it low because the wind keep like getting up under it and blowing it away. So we're just gonna keep it low for now. But we got our chairs set up and stuff. They at the beach. They down there in the water. I guess I'll show y'all right quick. I'm gonna walk y'all down to the beach, but it's entirely too hot to be vlogging on the beach. So I'm just about to show y'all the setup, and then I'll walk y'all down to the beach and let y'all see. Okay, so yeah, this is our little tent with our chairs and stuff under it. That's my mama with her own chair and tent.
I just bought all the Trojans. Yeah. I told her stab my niece. I told her stop telling everything she seen and told her meet me at the Ritz. I got baguettes in the back of my ring and I went in trying to hit. I told her she gotta run through the team before she can talk.
Oh Lord, my baby driving me crazy. Ooh, this little girl, that's why
just a Glocky key. You rolling 60, locked in seats. Me rolling that coupe with a bucket seats. Got it up mud like a football clean. Got you to drop out of that photo G. Call it the plug and he know what I need. Just stay underneath so we hardly see. Yeah, from in New York, cash money. Yeah, ain't the summer man.
Update, we just moved from the beach to the pool. So now the whole family crowd out the pool now. We all finna come in and chill here for the rest of the night. The pool closed at like 10, so we might stay to the end, we might not. And get some food, and this is our final night in Panama. So, hi guys, thanks for coming here with me. We got tomorrow morning, we're packing up and we're going home. That is the end of the day. It's been a long one, but it's the end. We just got back from the pool. Everybody took in showers and stuff right now. Of course I went first. So my shower's done. My shower is done. So we just ordered food. I'm waiting on my food to come. Jay, why I had to order the buffalo chicken? Cause they ain't had my pasta. Supposedly. I'm mad. Cause I've had to unfix my mouth for that. I want it Alfredo. But anyway.
What's up, YouTube?
That's my little cousin. Yeah, y'all, we just chilling waiting on our food. Food just got delivered. These are the fries, but they look so nasty. But the pizza do look good. I'm about to eat and go to bed. So good night. Good morning, babes. It is finally Sunday, our last day in Panama. So we just packed up everything this morning. Got dressed, got on road clothes, and we're about to go load up the cart and load up the car. We may or may not eat breakfast. Everybody got like leftovers and stuff from last night, so we may not go and eat breakfast, but everybody about to go ahead to pack up their cars. Checkout is in about 30 minutes. So yeah, we're just doing our last minute walkthrough. I got on something super simple today, a two-piece set. Quick little two-piece set. Y'all know I'm good for it. That's it. This is my travel outfit. And that's all. This is our final view. You can kiss the beach goodbye for now. It was fun though. We had more than enough time here. I'm ready to go home. I miss my dogs and I miss my man. I miss my puppies so bad. So yeah, I ain't wasting no more time to get home. Just want to check in, but I will take you guys over to load back up the car, and it'll be all for Panama. All right, y'all. At 10:42, we finally packed up and leaving out. Y'all, it's so chaotic in this condo. Everybody trying to check out at the exact same time. It took us 20 minutes to get an elevator. We had to ride up to the last little floor, then come all the way back down. Then, when we packing up the car, we got these men blocking us in the way. So we had to wait for them to move. Then I had to come up to the other floor to get the rest of my stuff from my auntie car. Y'all, it's just been chaotic. So I don't want to stop at no souvenir shop. I don't want to do nothing. Just get me on the road and get me home to my puppies. That's it. All right, checking in. That's it. Checking in and checking out. Bye. I made it back home, guys, to my man and to my puppies. My dogs were so excited to see me. They about to knock me over. But we are about to go out to eat together and then come back, chill, and nap. I also just found $1 on the floor. We're going to eat at North Italia. It's a new place for us.